dear children. Welcome to today's online session. How are you all? Hope you all are fine and having a great time at home and consuming your time truthfully by learning through the given videos and worksheets. Yes, children? Okay. Now, as you all know, everywhere what people are telling? What people are telling? Stay home, stay safe. Right, children? Okay. Do you know why everyone says that? Because home is the safest place for every single creature in this world. Because home is the safest place for every single creature in this world. Children, do you know, like us, birds and animals also have a home. Children, do you know, like us, birds and animals also have a home. Yes, you know that? Okay. Now let's see some animal homes. Okay, children, are you ready? Okay, animal homes. A rabbit lives in a burrow. A rabbit lives in a burrow. A spider lives in a web. A spider lives in a web. A bee lives in a hive. A bee lives in a hive. A monkey lives on a tree. A monkey lives on a tree. A dog lives in a kennel. A dog lives in a kennel. A hen lives in a coop. A hen lives in a coop. A cow lives in a shed. A cow lives in a shed. A horse lives in a stable. A horse lives in a stable. A bird lives in a nest. A bird lives in a nest. Okay, children. Now I will tell you one interesting thing about this bird's nest. Children, do you know we human beings how we will build our houses? Yes, we use bricks, tiles and wood for making our houses. Right, children? We can't make these houses all by ourselves. We can't make these houses all by ourselves. We need help to make them. We live in them for our comfort. In the same way, birds live in their nest. In the same way, birds live in their nests. They make beautiful nests with the help of their beaks. They make beautiful nests with the help of their beaks. They do not use stones or bricks to make their nests. They do not use stones or bricks to make their nests. They don't even paint them. They use twigs and straw to make their nests. They make their nests without anyone's help. Within a short period of time, a beautiful nest is ready for them to live in. The nests that the birds make using their beaks are just perfect. We can't even make them using our two hands. Okay, children, see how great birds are. Right, children? So, how can we do our part to help birds? Children, don't know? I will tell you. Okay? What we have to do, everyone in our home, set up 2 little bowls upon a tree in your garden or in your balcony for the birds. One bowl for grains and another for water. Children, do you all do this? Very good. Okay, and every day you should not forget to put food and water in those bowls for the birds. Okay, children? Very good. Now I am going to start the lesson named For My Babies. Okay, children? What is the name of the lesson, children? For My Babies. So now all of you open your semester 1 textbook, page number 15. Page number 15. Hope you all opened the correct page. See, let's see some pictures given on this page. Let's see what they are. What is the first picture? S. Ribbon. R-I-B-B-O-N. R-I-B-B-O-N. Ribbon. And the second picture is beak. And the second picture is beak. B-E-A-K. Beak. B-E-A-K. Beak. And the third picture is comb, hair. Comb, hair. C-O-M-B, comb. H-A-I-R, hair. What the girl in the picture doing, children? Yes, she is combing her hair. She is combing her hair. Very good. And the fourth picture is tie laces. Tie laces. T-I-E, tie. L-A-C-E-S, laces. Tie laces. What the boy in the picture doing, children? What the boy in the picture doing, children? Yes, he is tying his shoelaces. He is tying his shoelaces. And last and final picture is window. Window. W-I-N-D-O-W. Window. W-I-N-D-O-W. Window. So, now what you have to do? You have to draw in this window picture what you see outside from the window of your house. What you have to do in this window picture? You have to draw what you see outside from the window of your house. Understood, children? Here window picture is there. In this picture, you have to draw what you see outside from the window of your house. Okay, children? Okay, now turn the page. Now I am going to tell you a story. Okay, children? This story is a conversation between mother and child. This story is a conversation between mother and child. Okay, children? Let's start the lesson. Your finger should follow accordingly. Sarah is going out to play in the park. Sarah is going out to play in the park. Where Sarah was going, children? Yes, Sarah is going out to play in the park. She wants to tie her hair. She wants to tie her hair. Do you all do the same, children? Before going outside, you will comb your hair or not? Yes, very good. She is looking for her ribbon. She is looking for her ribbon. Sarah said, I cannot find my red ribbon anywhere. What Sarah said, children? I cannot find my red ribbon anywhere. Mummy, look carefully. It must be there. What mummy said? Look carefully. It must be there. Sarah I can't find it. It is not here. What Sarah said, children? I can't find it. It is not here. Mummy, don't worry, we will find it. Don't worry, we will find it. Sarah, that's strange. I put it on this table. Now it is not here. So what Sarah said, children? That's strange. I put it on this table. Now it is not here. Mummy, are you sure? You left it here? Mummy, what Mummy said? Are you sure you left it here? Sarah, yes, I am. I left it right here on this table. I left it right here on this table. Now it's gone. Has it flown away? Now it's gone. Has it flown away? Like this, they both are thinking. Where the ribbon gone? Okay, children? Now, let's move to the next page. Page number 16. Sarah's ribbon did fly away. Sarah's ribbon did fly away? No. Actually, what happened? See, a little bird flew away with it. A little bird flew away with it. The smart little bird saw the red ribbon on the table. The smart little bird saw the red ribbon on the table. The ribbon looked soft. The ribbon looked soft. So the bird carried it away in its beak. So the bird carried it away in its beak. The little bird wanted to tear it and use it to make her nest soft. The little bird wanted to tear it and use it to make her nest soft. Sarah looked out of the window at the tree outside. Sarah looked out of the window at the tree outside. There she saw something red in a nest. There she saw something red in a nest. Sarah, look Mummy, there is my ribbon. What Sarah said, children? Look Mummy, there is my ribbon. Mummy, what Mummy said? Yes, there it is. Yes, there it is. Never mind. Never mind. The little bird wants to make her nest soft for her eggs. The little bird wants to make her nest soft for her eggs. Soon baby birds will come out of the eggs. Soon baby birds will come out of the eggs. Let her keep it. Let her keep it. I will get you a new ribbon. I will get you a new ribbon. What a lovely mother. Right, children? Okay. Hope you all enjoyed the lesson. And today's assignment is you have to draw in that window picture what you see outside from the window of your house. What you have to do, children? You have to draw in that window picture what you see outside from the window of your house and read the lesson. Okay, children? See you in next session. Hari Om. Thank you.